We're going to be talking today about this item in front of you. This is a Core Audio 12-inch ring light, heart ring light with tripod stand. So I'm going to be unboxing this, putting it together, showing it to you guys how to put it together, turning it on, and just giving some feedback regarding this, along with my perspective and how much I paid and where I purchased it from. So before I get started, you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner. That'll be awesome. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. And feel free to leave comments. And if I've added value, definitely hit the like button. So let's get started. So once again, this is the Core Audio. As you can see, it's 12-inch. It's the extendable legs. It's a heart ring light. It's a pretty awesome item. This is the front of it. This is the back of it, side of it, and the other side. So the packaging comes in a big box. I can tell you that right now. This is a huge box. This is a huge box. But let's go ahead and just get his X-Acto knife and just open it up and take a look. It's always good to have the X-Acto knife in handy because you can just cut it and it opens. You can try to peel it, but you know, you have to use your fingernails. So a lot of things. So let's go ahead and open this baby. And let's take out the item. All right, this is how the inside looks like right there, guys. Okay, so I'm going to take it out. Really? All right, so I've took it out already. Taking everything out. And this is everything that's out. Now, one thing I noticed about this item right here is that I don't see a instruction booklet. Normally, a lot of these items, they will have the instruction booklets. This one does not. And also, I noticed with this one, as you can see, is that I think this is probably like somebody purchased this already, but you can see that the on and off switch, the little face covering plate, it already came off the sticker. So let me see if I can actually try to repair this, if it'll work. Just to, so you guys can see on this video, you know. But this is the first time I've come across where something is like this kind of situation. This is very unique. I'm going to take out the ring light. Let me see closer. Okay, so that's the plastic bag. So there's the ring light right here. I'm going to stick this face plate that's out back on to here. All right, so. All right, before I stick it on, I got to test this because I just got to make sure what is the, you know, it doesn't seem like that somebody actually opened this, because you notice this thing, the ties, it's really parallel, just like the slides. So I don't think anybody actually opened these. But let me just test the ring light because I just need to know where's the on and off switch. It is on this side or this side. This is the first time that I've come across this. So let me just test it out. And there's no instruction booklets. So it's kind of a iffy item. All right, so let me see which one is the power. Is this the power here? Okay, that's the power. Good. Okay, so I know which side. So the power is this one here. So let me just make sure that I have the sticker facing where the power should be. So where this item, man, I can't believe this. All right, there we go. Power, okay, so there we go. I stick it back on now, okay, but I have to get some plastics that's from the bag, but this is so weird. Let me see if I can just have it stick on. All right, so I have the heart ring light there. What we have here is we're gonna have the phone holder stand, which is, and then the phone holder. So this is your phone holder, this is phone holder stand. Now the piece comes together, okay? So normally sometimes they'll come separate and you just have to stick it in and twist it tight. There's gonna be a sliding. And then I have an old iPhone, let me just stick it in there so you can have it in there. I'm just gonna leave it like this here. All right, so you have your tripod leg right here. This one right here. Okay, the great thing about it is that it actually extends and closes. I'm just going to leave it closed and leave it short so you guys can see. It does turn 360 with this piece here. And then also it goes up and back. So this is the piece that releases it for tilt. You see that? All right, so let me just tighten it back up. So let's go ahead and put these bad boys in there. All right, so this right here, which is your ring light right here, heart ring light. Get the piece that has the phone holder and the phone holder stand. This side that has a little point screws. Stick it into the gold circle here on the heart ring light. Boom. Okay. And as you can see, it'll fit your iPhones and Androids, any kind of phones that you may have that will, because it's extendable. So your tripod leg, so the tripod head, as I said, I don't know if I said this tripod leg normally is separate, but this one is just included with the tripod legs. So it creates a 3-piece assembly, which is quite easy. It takes less than 5 minutes. So you're gonna screw this screw on top of the tripod head onto this gold screw on the bottom. All right, so it's in there. All right, let's open the legs. All right, so there you go, guys. It's right here. Everything set up is a 3-piece setup. I'm gonna get the remote control. So once again, that's the remote control. USB plug-in for power. Make sure that you have a wall jack that takes USB so that you can plug it in. Another way is just to plug it directly into your laptop. It's your power switch right here, which lights up. Turn that on, turn it off. Minus is for the brightness. 10 degrees down brightness, 10 degrees up on there. The mode is in the middle. It's like hot, cold, in between. So let's turn it on. Let's lower it. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Increase it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, guys. And then let's change the mode. Ooh. Cool mode. Hot mode. In between mode. There you go, guys. That'd be great if there's an instruction booklet, but you know, it's still very easy. If you guys don't have an instruction booklet, feel free to look at a bunch of my other videos that I do of ring lights, for assembly included, and how to power it up. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Basically what I paid for this is about $19.99. It retails about $30, 40, 35. Where did I get it from? I got it from a big box discount retailer. So examples to get it from is like maybe TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, DD's, a lot of those places. I know they sell at Target too, but Target is cheaper than your regular big box, regular price retailers. Walmart actually will match prices too. So there's a lot of places that you can get these from. The thing is that a lot of these ring lights are very similar. They all do the same thing. They have the same functions. Assembly may be a little bit different. The ring light shape may be different. Like this one is a heart. So, just a lot of that stuff that's a little bit different. But other than that, they work great. Uses for this is you can do vlogs, cosmetic. Cosmetic is very, very good. If you want to do jewelry, anything that you can do up close is a great item to have. It's not that expensive. As you can see with me, when I'm doing this, I actually have the light on top. So I actually have to spend a bit more. But I think this is a great starter item. So I would say definitely think about this. It's a great, easy piece to install. It's great if you're traveling. You have a 3-piece only. All you need, and it's USB. So you can actually plug it on a plane. So you don't even have to stick a wall jack in there. My feedback is that, for me, because the videos that I'm doing, I need something overhead. So this won't work for me. But I still see the benefits of this. Price-wise, price point, what you're using it for. Cosmetic, as I said, is good. Vlogging is good. And then also, this item, I feel like all these ring lights, there's a lot of audiences out there that like them. They all, perform or provide benefits that are very, very similar. And they all look very different. So if one breaks down, feel free to buy another one because, the price point itself is really not that high, especially if you get it from a big box discount retailer. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Gave you guys the pricing. I bought it from a discount big box retailer, so one of those like Ross, Marshall, that's where I got it from. They sell it over there. And then also some other places you can get it from. And some uses that you can use this for. It's great. And if there's any questions, send me a comment. I'm here to help. And also, Once again, if you can hit the subscribe button, that'd be awesome. I'm trying to build my subscriber base, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If I've added value, please hit the like button. And I make new videos every Monday and Wednesday and Friday. And I upload them on those days. So thank you guys. Please come back, watch my videos. I appreciate it. Thank you guys all for all your support. Till next time, cheers.